When you need to easily move pallets around your warehouse or facility, you need a pallet jack. Strongway jacks are built for performance with quality construction, versatility, and special features that make them the right choice for any facility. Take this jack that lets you easily lift up to 5,500 pounds. It features a welded cylinder with a 35mm piston rod. Lift loads from 3 3/8 inches high to 8 inches high with the 48-inch long by 27 inches wide tapered steel forks. Easily load and unload pallets on the heavy-duty dual-entry rollers for trouble-free pallet entry. Easily lift and move loads with the spring-loaded 3-function handle with comfort grip. Maneuver loads smoothly in your shop or warehouse on the non-marking 7-inch poly steering wheels that deliver a 190-degree turning radius. Easily lift up to 5,500 pounds with this pallet jack from Strongway. Only at Northern Tool.